Hey, what's going on guys? Today we're out in the city and I brought my Yashica T3 along to hopefully take some photos, as it has been quite a while since my last location video. So as I said in the past, I think the T3 is probably one of the best cameras when you want to make some casual images and nothing too serious. So today I've got around 20 photos left on this roll, so I'll hopefully get through it and hopefully there will be some decent images at the end of it. So I thought I would just take a minute just to say a massive thank you to anyone that's watched my videos over the last 8 months or so. It definitely means a lot when I'm reading all these comments and messages from people all around the world, so I definitely really appreciate that, and it pushes me to make more of these types of videos in the future as well. So next year I definitely want to make more photo walks like this one, some artist interviews, and the stuff I've already covered already, so like tutorials and reviews as well. I'm also thinking of opening up a print store, so if that's something you would be interested in, then feel free to let me know down in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed the photos and the video as well, and if you did, I would definitely love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. But for now, I hope everyone has a great New Year's, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.